Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, already we know we have 5 criteria. The first one is, just a moment, all the criterias I have introduced together. Okay, now here the first exercise is containing first few criteria, then the next exercise another criteria. Now you have all the criterias in hand. You know there is a criteria called side criteria. There is a criteria called side angle side criteria. There is a criteria called angle side angle criteria. There is a criteria called angle side criteria, and there is a criteria called RHS criteria, where right angle, hypotenuse, and any one of the side, if we can match, then we can say two triangles are ditto, same, exactly same, congruent. These are the bare minimum criteria. Okay, bare minimum data which we can match if possible. If from here we are not able to match any one of them, then okay, confidently we will say the two triangles are not congruent. Okay, so all the possibility we are having in hand. Now we can focus on question number 1. Question number 1 says, in quadrilateral ABCD, okay, this side that side same, AB bisect angle A, show that triangle ABC is congruent with triangle ABD. Okay, so when the question is given like this, then it is okay crystal clear that we have to focus on triangle ABC over here, and we have to focus on triangle ABD over here. Now let's get to the figure. ABC ABD, the two triangle is clearly, okay, we can see it clearly. Now we will say that here it is given in the question itself that side, just a moment, no? So here it is clearly given in the question that side AC over here is same as side AD over there. We are talking about which two triangle. Your focus should be on your triangle. Okay, here we are talking about triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Okay, AC side in the purple color triangle is same as AD side in this brown triangle. Okay, so AC over here is same as AD over here. It is already given in the question. I am not saying. Okay, now what else we know? So here it is written that an AB bisect angle A. AB bisect angle A. See the figure? It's written over here that AB bisect angle A. This AB is not a random line. It is angle bisector of angle A. This angle A is getting bisected by this line AB. That means here angle over here. Okay, if you will say this is x by 2, this will also be x by 2. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so AB bisect angle A. This AB is the angle bisector. This AB is the angle bisector. That means angle over there and angle over here is same. So we will write it in ABC triangle, angle A. Angle A in ABC triangle, which can be written like this, and angle A in ABD triangle, which can be written like this, are same. Why? It is also given since AB is the angle bisector. AB bisect angle. Okay, only this much information we are having, and already we know the 5 criteria. Now, always when you will solve NCRT based problem, one data, two data will be hidden in the question. You have to sit and you have to look at your that triangle, this triangle. Is there anything which is same? Is there anything which is same? Is there anything which is same? Can we see the AB side is included in the upper triangle and the same AB is there in the downward triangle as well? Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you will see question from NCRT, always, this is not the first time and the only time, always you will encounter this type of scenario that all the data will not be given. Yes, these are the bare minimum criteria, but only this much will also not given to you. Just one side will be given, and the remaining thing you will keep on searching and keep on searching from the figure. How? By using the all the concepts which you have learned till now in mathematics. You just have to observe the triangle and you have to think about it. Sometime maybe you will be using vertically opposite angle, sometime maybe you will be using alternate interior angle, and whatever not. Okay, anything can be used over here. So just keep your mind just focused over here. You have to focus on the figure, that what can be written as the same in this two triangle. Which two triangle? The red one and the blue one. Clearly we can say AB side is common in this two triangle, which is same in both the triangles. So we will write by ourselves that AB over here and AB over there is nothing but just the common side. Okay, first time I told you, now next time be careful. So we have written 3 data. Now we don't know which criteria is matching, because all together 5 criteria we are having in hand. Which one is matching, we need to check it. So last class I was telling you that if you will mark in any one of the triangle, if you will mark, so let's focus on ABC triangle, the red one. AC, you have used AC over here. This side you have used side AC you have used. Then angle BAC, this angle A, this angle A you have used, and AB, the side AB you have used. Okay, and just see the sequence. Can you see SAS? SAS, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Which criteria is matching? SAS. You will get to know the criteria if you will focus on just one triangle and mark everything whatever you have used. From where I am marking these things? I am marking it from here, from here. This AC I marked, then angle A I marked, then AB I marked. I'm not even looking at the other triangle and the other side. Making sense?
Yes.
And we got to know that which criteria is matching. Side angle side criteria is matching. Two side are matching with each other, and the included angle is also matching. Okay, hence by SAS criteria, this triangle, that triangle are congruent. Yes, we have to be specific with the name, but can you see the name is already written in the question with congruency sign? Okay, so we need to copy paste the name, this name. Just copy paste over here, because when the congruency sign is given in the question itself, the name must be in a proper order. It must be in proper order. If you want to match, please match it. ABC over there, it is written that is congruent to triangle ABD. Okay, if you want to match, please match it. ACAD, is it at same place? ACAD, great, it is at same place. Angle A over here, angle A over here, is it at same place? Yes. AB over here, AB over here, AB over here, AB over here, is it at same place already? Yes. Okay, so when the name is given in the question, then we don't even have to worry about the sequence of the alphabet and all. We will just take it from the question and paste it over here, and we will say by SAS congruency these two are congruent, and we are done with the solution. If you will do this much, then you will be getting full marks. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mom.
Yes, ma'am.
So always we will be starting like this only, that we are talking about which two triangle we need to mention. While mentioning the name of the triangle over there, we don't have to be specific. Okay, just and we will write in between and then we will continue. Now, whatever is given in the question, but all the data will not be given to you. Okay, the hidden data will be there which you have to identify. Yes, it may take time, it may take your half an hour. You are just sitting and looking at the figure, but it is not clicking at all. But this is how you will learn these concepts. Okay, so let's do the next question. Before doing the next one, let's do this one, number 3, which is comparatively easy. So AD and BC are equal perpendicular to the line segment AB. AD and BC are equal. Where is AD? This is AD. And where is BC? This is BC. AD and BC are equal. Equal means equal in length. And are perpendicular to a line segment AB. And are perpendicular to this line segment AB. That means both that brown color line is perpendicular to this green one, which is represented in the figure itself. You can see 90 degrees represented over there and over here. Okay. Now, this much we are understanding that there is a line over here, there is a line over here. Both are same in length. Equal written, you can check it. It is written equal. That means this is x, this is also x. Both are same in length. I'm not saying it is written in the question. Okay, I'm making 90 degree with this AB. That too is given in the question. Now the next part over here so says that show that show that what show that CD bisect AB. Show that line segment CD is bisecting the line segment AB. Can you see the line segment CD
Yes, ma'am.
and line segment AB?
Yes.
We have to show that CD is cutting AB into equal part. It is written CD. Which one is bisecting? CD. Okay, CD is bisecting means cutting in two equal part AB. Okay, so we have to show that CD is just cutting AB into equal part. It's not like that this CD is getting cutted, AB is also getting cutted. It's not like that. Be careful. Okay, CD is cutting AB in two equal part. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can understand this CD is just dividing this AB in two equal part. That's what we have to prove. We have to show that AO and BO are equal in length. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, if any way we can show that AO, BO are equal in length, then we are done with the proof. Okay, now the congruency concept, the moment I have started, can you recall at first I was giving you this type of question where I was writing, okay, we are going to day 1 where we were discussing congruency, and I used to write this type of condition on the screen that if ABC is congruent with MNO, then correct the just mark the choose the correct option. Okay, then there you were matching angle A, angle M. Okay, from this congruency what we are getting the data, so we are getting that angle A, angle M is same. We are getting angle B, angle N is same. We are getting angle C, angle O is same. And apart from that, we are also getting that AB and MN must be in same length. BC and NO are equal length. AC and MO are equal in length. From this congruency, this much data we are getting, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Congruency means ditto same, exactly same. When we were proving this criteria we have learned, these are the bare minimum criteria which we are matching. just to check the congruency. But actually congruency means this only. In case anytime it will be given to us that ABC is congruent to M and O, then our mind will process in this manner. Okay, then A and M must be same, B and N must be same, and C and O must be same. Apart from that, AB and MN must be same, BC and NO must be same, and AC and MO must be same. This much data must be clear in our mind the moment we are seeing this congruency sign. Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you are understanding this all, and here we have to show that AO and BO are same in length, then let's prove the congruency. Which congruency? In case we will be able to prove this triangle and this triangle are congruent. Okay, in case we will be able to prove that that particular triangle and this particular triangle are congruent, then automatically everything will be same. I mean the corresponding side will be same and the corresponding angle will be same, and maybe from there confidently we will be able to say since congruent, hence AOBO same. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
why we are thinking about congruency? Because we don't know how to prove AOBO same, but we are thinking if congruent, then maybe confidently we can say the sequence. Okay, maybe sequence will also match, that AO over here, BO over there will be equal. But yeah, we need to check it. We need to check it. Okay, is it working like that? In our mind, it is clear that what we are supposed to do, AOBO same, AOBO same. And we are thinking, can we use congruency? Because we can see 90° over there, 90° over here. Okay, and it says that the two lines are equal also. Which two line? So AD over here and BC over there are equal in length. So maybe these data we will be able to just match, and we will see any criteria is matching, hence congruent, hence AOBO will be same. Okay, let's do it. And yeah, again I am reminding you that criteria should not confuse you. Criteria are the bare minimum information. Our mathematicians said that if we can match only side, then we can say two triangles are ditto same, exactly same. Because if only side is matching, then automatically angle will match, definitely angle will be same. Okay, and similarly if we are just able to match two sides same and the included angle same, then automatically all the remaining data definitely it will match. Okay, similarly the third criteria was angle side angle. If two angle and the included side, if that will match in case, then again we can say the two triangle will be ditto same, exactly same. With this much bare minimum information if we can match, then we can say that remaining data definitely will match. All the remaining angle, all the remaining side must be equal with each other. These are just the bare minimum data if we are trying to match. And from here, if nothing is matching, nothing matches at all, then we will see the true triangle, the two given triangle are not at all congruent. Okay, and here we are having the list of all the possibility. If this is matching, match it. If this is not matching, match the second one, or maybe match the third one, or maybe match the fourth one, or maybe match the fifth one. These are all the possibility which we are trying to match. Okay, let's see in this the blue color triangle and the orange color triangle, that if we can match any criteria from here, then we can declare the two triangles are ditto same, and then AO and BO will be same. So it is, we are talking about triangle BOC and triangle AOD. While writing the name over here, I said to you, you don't have to be specific that B over here, A over there. No, you don't have to think about anything. Why? Because and we have written in between. Sequence we will be writing particularly, specifically when we are using the congruency symbol. Okay, that time we have to be careful with the symbol, with the sequence, with the alphabets. Okay, now let's write the data given. Here we know AD and BC are equal. So BC side from here and AD side from there are equal. Who said that? Our statement is saying that. Perpendicular also. So they are 90 degree and here 90 degree. That means angle B over there and angle A over here are equal. Who said that? 90 each. This here also we will write given. Here also we will write given. Okay. Now the next data. At least three information we must need. If you are thinking why I'm telling you three information, please check the criteria. Side, three information. Side, angle, three information. Angle, three information. Angle, side, three information, or maybe RHS, three information. So at least bare minimum we need three information. Then we can see which criteria is matching. Okay. So the next information, perpendicular to the line segment AB, and what else? Are we getting anything else? I told you there will be one data which will be hidden in the figure and you have to figure it out. I'm rubbing everything. Please figure it out and tell me that do you think any other thing will be seen apart from the given data?
BO and AO.
Yes, can you please repeat?
BO and AO.
AO and BO?
Yeah.
But where it is written AO, BO will be same. Is it written anywhere? That's
Ma'am,
what we want to prove same. Okay, because it says the show that CD bisect AB. So we wanna show that. Okay, that's what we have to prove. We cannot use that information. It's written over here so that CD bisect AB. This CD is working like a knife and it is cutting our AB in two equal part. That's what is written in the question. That show that okay, this pink one is working like a knife and is cutting the AB in two equal part, just like this. Getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
mom.
Okay, so we have to show that AOBO are same. And that's what we are trying to show. That data cannot be used over here, right?
Yeah.
And I told you that while finding the hidden data, you have to think about anything, maybe vertically opposite angle, maybe parallel line concept, maybe alternate interior, maybe anything. So here, can you see we can use vertically opposite angle? Angle O over there, angle O over here will be same. Can we say that?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so NCRT, when you will solve question, always one data, two data will be hidden in the figure itself. And yes, we have to figure it out. And this is the quite challenging part, that we have to just observe the figure and we have to think and think. But if we will practice so many questions, then you will get used to it and you will understand what are the different possibility which you may encounter. So we are going to say angle O over there, angle O over here are same. Okay, let's write it. Angle BOC, that means angle O over here, is same as angle AOD, that means angle O over here. Okay, angle O are same. How? We have to write the reason vertically opposite angle. Now we have written three data. I told you to identify the criteria. You need to focus on only one side, either the left side or the right side. This time let's focus on the right side of the data. These all. Okay, AOD. You can see here we are having AOD triangle. I'm rubbing the circle. Let's see the AOD triangle. First we have written AD. Okay, first we have written AD over here. AD. So I'm going to mark that we have used this side. Then we have marked angle A. Then I am marking that this angle we have used. And then we have marked angle O. Okay, angle O. So we have used this angle over here. Is there any criteria which is matching? I don't think so. Just a moment now. because it doesn't look like angle. uh, Let me write all the criterias. Okay, side no, side no, angle side angle no, angle side, angle side. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, angle side is matching over here. Okay, hence these two triangles are congruent. Which two triangle? Now we need to write the name properly. Criteria we identified, we need to write the name properly. This is how in systematic manner you will be solving any question from here. You will be writing triangle. The first triangle name I am writing randomly, just BOC is congruent with. Now I will be specific with the name. So here the first data says that BC and AD are same. So here I will write A and D like this, or maybe A and D like this. Okay, so that BC over here and AD over here will match, or maybe BC over here and DA over here will match, because DA and AD is the same thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the two possibility coming in our mind. Okay, now we are checking the second. Angle B, angle A are equal. So angle B, angle A are equal. That means the second possibility is not working. I'm going to rub it quickly. Why? Because angle B, angle A must be at same place, which is there in the first possibility. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Angle
ma'am.
O over here, O over there are same. So the name of the triangle will be AOD over there. Now what we wanted to prove same. We wanted to show that this CD is working like a knife. This CD is a knife and it is cutting our AB in two equal parts. Okay, CD is cutting AB in two equal parts. Just like a knife, this CD is cutting our AB. There is a line AB just sitting like this. But then comes the CD and just cutted it in two equal parts. Okay, this AB is getting cutted in two equal parts, and we wanted to show that BO, AO are same. The moment we have written the congruency, with this much bare minimum information, and mathematicians told us that if this much is matching, then that definitely all the remaining data will match. You just prove the congruency, and yes, we prove the congruency by, we need to write by which criteria, by angle side criteria. Okay, if you will not write the criteria, you will end up losing the marks, 1 marks, half marks, whatever. Okay, we have proved the congruency. Now from here, can you see that we are getting that BO and AO will be same? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So this much data is giving us the confidence that congruency will happen, and now congruency will giving us the confidence that all the remaining data will be same. How? That BO, AO will be same. Okay, OC, OD will be same. BC, AD will be same. Angle B, angle A will be same, which was already same. Angle O will be same, and angle C and angle D will be same. This much things we are getting just after the proof, and all by CPCT. Okay, we will write that after proving the congruency, this much data we are getting, which is clear in our mind. But what is this CPCT? So CPCT means corresponding part of the congruent triangle are similar with each other. Okay, we do write like this. After proving the congruency, we get so many remaining information. Now this will be same to that one. This will be same to that one. We get so many things, and we write it that corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. Every time we have to write this statement. But then again, our mathematicians said that rather than writing this much complete statement, you write this one, the shorter form, by CPCT. That means corresponding part of congruent triangle. Getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so the moment we have proved the congruency in the first part also, in the first part, this triangle, that triangle are congruent, automatically so many more information came out in our hand. But since we just wanted to show congruency, hence we stopped over here. Okay, we didn't want. Okay, here one more part was there in the question, that what about BC and BD. Okay, this part we missed in the question number first. We need to discuss this part. Congruency already we have proved in question number 1, that this triangle, that triangle are congruent, and the name of the triangle was given to us in the question itself. So we have just copy pasted the same name. Then the next part of the question, part B of the question, says that what can you say about BC and BD. So can you see from the triangle, BC and BD must be equal with each other? Can you see it from the name of the triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How? By CPCT. What is CPCT? Corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal with each other. Two triangle are congruent. That means two triangle are ditto same, exactly same. Okay, all the side matches, all the angle matches. But since we are not able to match everything in all the question, so we are using this bare minimum criteria. But the moment we are telling congruent, then so many remaining sides, remaining angle, we are able to say now confidently that which two will be equal to each other. Getting it? And that's what we call by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we don't have to make the list of all the corresponding part which will be equal. Whatever is required, whatever is asked in the question, only that one we will write, that this two will be equal. Okay, but in our mind still we are clear. The moment we are saying ABC and ABD are congruent, that means AB same, BCBD same, ACAD same. Okay, angle A same, angle B same, angle C D same. This much data is clearly okay. We are clear with this much of information. It's clear in our mind. But we don't have to just write everything over here. Whatever is required we will write. Since the question was asking about what can you say about BC and BD, we will say of course these two sides are same by CPCT. Any confusion so far?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
this
ma'am.
particular question you can see it again, that what we did, how we process the data, how we realize what we have to do. Because in this question it was not written that please prove this triangle, that triangle congruent. It was not written at all. What was written? There is a line AD, there is a line BC, are in equal, okay, equal length, perpendicular to AB. Show that CD bisect AB. So that CD is cutting our AB into equal part. That means we wanted to show that AO and BO are same. Then we were thinking what to do so that we can say that these two are exactly same. Then we realized that here clearly we can see two triangle. Maybe this two triangle, if we can prove congruent, then from there we can say AOBO same. Maybe this AOBO coincidentally will be the corresponding side. Okay, the sequence will match, and then we can say maybe. So we took that triangle, we took this triangle, and we just completely focus on proving them congruent. The moment we got the congruency, automatically we found that okay, yeah, AB and BO are equal in length from the congruency which we have written. Okay, and while writing this one in bracket we will write by CPCT. That means corresponding part of the congruent triangle equal we have already shown. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
let me take the next question which we can discuss over here. This example number 2. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. And line L is its perpendicular bisector. L is not a random line. Okay, L is not a random line. L is the perpendicular bisector of AB. L is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That means it is bisecting AB and is also perpendicular to AB. Okay, this L is perpendicular also and is bisecting also. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if a point P lies on L, we can see there is a point P lies on L. Show that P is equidistant from A and B. We have to show that P is at equal distance. Equidistance means is at equal distance from A and B. That means P is maintaining the same distance from A as well as B. That means our motto is to prove that PA and PB are same. But again we are thinking that if left triangle and right triangle, if anyhow we can prove congruent that both are ditto same, then maybe PAPB will come out as a same. Maybe. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are focusing on the left triangle and the right triangle. Again we need three information which needs to match. Okay, please don't get confused. PAPB, we have to prove it, we have to show it. So that information we cannot use over here. What we can use over here, that side AC over here is same as side BC over here. Now 90-degree angle C is 90-degree over here, and there also angle C is 90-degree. And what else? Can you tell me? Always one hidden data will be there until now. Okay, I am expecting that you must be getting from the two triangle that is there any common angle, common side, anything? The right triangle, left triangle, what is, okay, right one and the left one, what is exactly same? Is there any common side? No. Can you see this side which is present in
PC,
this triangle and that side triangle?
PC.
Yes. Everyone, are you getting it? PC is here and PC is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hence these two triangle are congruent. By which criteria? So just mark in any one of the triangle. You have used AC, this side. You have used 90-degree, this angle. You have used this side. Can you see the sequence? SAS.
Yeah.
By SAS, these two triangles are congruent. Okay, now we need to write the name properly so that we can see that PA and PB, these two we want to show same. We don't want it. Okay, it was not the purpose to prove the congruency. Okay, we didn't even think about the congruency and all. We just wanted to show that PA and PB are same. But then we realized that in case we will prove this two triangle are congruent, then maybe we can say that PA and PB are same by CPCT. Okay, let's do it. So this is the data you are having in hand, and this is the data you are having in hand. And what are we going to do? We are going to write the name of the triangle. So I told you write the first name according to your wish. So maybe you are writing PAC triangle. Maybe is congruent with. Now just be careful with the other name. Okay, now you can see the data. AC over here and BC over there is same. So maybe the name, okay, BC will be here. Angle C same. Yes, we have written it properly. And PC will be same. So P will be here. Can you see the name? PAC and PBC.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what we wanted to do, our motto was to prove the PA and PB are same. Can you see PA and PB is same? We are getting it from the sequence. We can say definitely PA and PB are same by CPCT. What is CPCT? Corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal. From here we are getting so many remaining information. But since we just have to show this one, that's why we are writing only this one. Making sense?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So this type of question you will have when the question already says that prove this triangle, that triangle congruent. That is the level 1 question, the simplest question, because there you just have to focus on the given name of the triangle. Maybe example number 1. Okay, show that AOD and BOC are congruent. The easiest question. There you have to focus on AOD and you have to focus on BOC. Now here it is given that AO OB are equal. Okay, so AO over here and OB over there are equal. It is given. It is given that OD and OC are equal. So it is given that OD over here and OC over there are equal. It is already given in the question. And I told you one data will be hidden always. Please tell me what data is hidden in this two triangle, the upper one and the below one.
Angle COB is equal to angle AOD.
Yeah, vertically opposite angle. Can you see everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I told you, no, the more you will practice question, the better you will understand, because all the possibility then start repeating itself. So angle O over there, angle O over here, angle O over there, angle O over here. However, we must not write the name like this, name of the angle. Yes, the way she said angle AOD, angle COB, that way we need to write the name, but I am just explaining. Now we can say this triangle, that triangle are congruent. By which congruency we have to mention, if in case we will miss, we will end up losing marks. So let's mention it, that what we match a, this side we have used OD. Okay, OD side we have used, and this angle we have used. Can you see the sequence, side angle side? Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
SAS is matching. Okay, we are done. We are done with the solution. Yes, after proving the congruency, so many information we are getting from here. Let me write all the information, because there is part 2 which I can see over here. So from this congruency you are getting so many data. The moment you prove these two are congruent, confidently you can say now AO BO will be same. Okay, maybe it was already given, doesn't matter. Okay, we are just making the list of the things which are equal with each other. OCOD same. Okay, AD BC same. Angle A over here, angle B over there are equal. Angle O are equal. Here some data you will be having which already was given in the question, and some data will be extra, but doesn't matter at all. Okay, this much information our mind understand that the moment we are saying congruency, then this much data is matching. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, but I
Yes,
told
ma'am.
you, you don't have to write it always. You don't have to write it always. Here you have to prove that AD and BC are parallel line. Focus on AD, focus on BC. Okay, you have written that angle A over here. Please focus. Angle A over here is same as angle B over there. That means angle A in the lower triangle is same as angle B in the upper triangle. We have written this. Okay, from CPCT you can check it. From CPCT just now we have declared that angle A over here is same as angle B over there. And in parallel line, in last chapter, lines and angles chapter, have you learned that in case you are having two random line, just two random line, and there is a transversal, and if alternate interior pair is equal, that means the lines are not random, those are parallel line. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In case A and B are equal by CPCT, that means definitely AD is parallel to BC. Why? Because two lines and a transversal, and these two are alternate interior. This is the pair of alternate interior angle. Making sense?